That's a nice one. Flip them in there. That's a nice one. Whoa. Very good.
Keeper.
Nice fish.
Yeah, I got another one.
Oh yeah. Lift the rod tip up. Yeah. Oh, you got it. Yep, you got to keep them.
That's
good there. Pick up.
Yeah, a little bit.
There you go. Pick his head up. Pick that rod. You got to rock it. Oh. There you go. That's a nice one. All right. Turn it sideways a little bit. There you go.
What did you get? About 16?
17. Oh, that's a nice one.
Wow.
Nice one.
That might be the best one yet.
Oh, nice one. Oh, come on. That's a nice one. You can't fool us. Keep that pressure on him. That's a nice one.
Look at that. Look at that.
Very nice.
Whoop. Got another one.
Got another one? Oh, that's a nice one. There you go.
All right, Ken. Looks like we got a good spot.
All right. Can you get in that cooler for a second?
You bet.
Put that lid up for me, please, sir.
I've got another pole.
There you go.
Line that's
Yep.
keep you busy here, Oz.
Yes, sir.
Oh, he came off.
He came off?
Yeah.
No. You like a keeper?
No. Well, I don't know. He may not know he's hooked.
That might be a keeper. Oh, it's a big ladyfish.
Oh, yeah.
Big ladyfish. Oh. Yep. Put it under the boat. Yep. All the way down. All the way down.
Over here.
Yep. Just keep it pointed down. Keep it all the way down in the water and reel.
Back.
Keep it up off the boat. There you go. And just reel. There you go. Stop. There you go. Nice and easy. I'm gonna say they usually come unhooked.
Yeah.
There you
This is feeling good. Oh, I think I got one too.
All right. Yeah, double.
All right. Well,
Oh
yeah. Now this is a nice.
Reel that slack in. Get it tighter, tighter, tighter. Oh, big setup. Yeah, reel up. There you go. Phew.
Oh, yeah, he feels good. I felt him.
Well, that might be a better one. Oh, we got a double. All right.
No, he came out.
Ooh, that's a nice one. Pick the rod tip up. Turn it this way. This way. Pick it up. Pick it up. That's a nice one. Pick that rod tip up. Up, up, up. There you go. Very good. There you go. I don't know. It ate that pinfish. That might be a better fish.
Know he's caught, Bill.
Yeah, that might be a better fish. He's got.
Yeah.
Pick that rod tip up. Reel. Get some more of that slack
Oh,
up.
now he's moving.
Pick it up. Is that big lady or mackerel? Spanish mackerel.
Spanish.
Yep.
Whoa! Wow! Just so we can show that we caught a mackerel. Yeah.
Yep. Fish there.
Might be. I'm just gonna stop and watch this one. Oh, I like the looks of that.
Yep.
Oh, I do like the looks of that. Look at that.
Just turn them back this way. Keep them. Don't try not to horse them up out of the water though. There you go. Turn them this way. Just push. Yep, put your rod tip towards me. Rod tip towards me. Now pick his head up a little bit.
Oh.
Bring him towards me. You gotta keep.
I know. I'm turning.
Yep. There you go.
That one is nice. Okay, here he comes. All right, coming around.
His head up a little bit. Yep. Yeah. Good fish.
Nice.
Good fish.
Yeah.
Very nice. Ooh, that's a nice one. Oh yeah. See what you got here. That's a nice one.
Here we need to stop and get a count.
Get a count. Yep, we'll check after this one right here. Yep, put some more pressure on them. There you go. Nice fish, nice fish.
Nice to that.
Yep. Oh, that's a nicer one. Reel it. Don't let them go to the front. Don't let them go to the front. There you go. That's a kitty cat, I think.
A catfish?
I think you got a kitty cat. Put that rod all the way down. All the way down. There you go. Reel. Looks like a big kitty cat. Yep.
Just a catfish.
Just a catfish.
I thought we had 8 trout.
We were
7. Yep, we were 1 short.
Cool.
Great job, guys. Awesome.
I'll take 3, you take 2. I'll take